taking the Murphy bed down. Okay. Let's see here. Alright, I see. I'll lift up this rug. Bear with me. Okay. Looks. I need to go around to the other side. I'm just gonna take some video of all the interior and walk around. Try to lift this part. Okay, that's about as good as it's gonna go. I think that's about it. And then I will open up the cabinets for you also, so that you have an idea of the inventory. Let's see. Okay, let me start with oopsie, that hits the light up there. Rubs just a little bit. Strainer in there. Maybe, yeah. Alrighty. Okay, dishwasher. This is underneath the sink. Little waste can. Alright, and above the fridge. Alrighty. That is it. I'll go over here above the desk. I got some movies and some games. And then this is looks like some cleaners. Washcloths, cleaning rags. That's your mop. Sorry. Stuck between the bed here. Vacuum cleaner, broom, mop, and then cleaning caddy, bucket. And then down here it looks like some paint. Okay. Do one more view this way. I think that's about it.